Let's create this simple gel X together. So guys, our nails is nicely prepped. Okay, so we're going to be adding our base coat, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. Okay, and this is the preferred nude color of choice. Like I used to say, you can apply any nude color of your choice. And guys, do you notice that I bought new products? Yes, this particular gel polish, it's actually a jelly gel polish. Okay, and I bought them new. Okay, so yeah, let's dive into the video. So you apply your preferred new color, okay, and then as soon as you're done, you cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to be diving into the next step. So guys, we're going to be scooping out a bit of our white gel polish, okay, to draw our French tips. Guys, I've given you guys so many detailed tutorial how to draw your French tips. Okay, so I'm not going to be making this detailed. Okay, to avoid this video to be too lengthy, I'm going to be fasting the process a little bit. Okay, so if you want to learn how to draw your French tip as a beginner in tech, you can check our channel. Okay, check our playlist to find your preferred videos. Okay, because we also do prepping of our wigs on this channel also. Okay, making of wig and styling of wig on this channel, so you can check our playlist to find your preferred video. So like I said, I'm going to be fasting this video. Okay, so guys, we're going to be applying our white French tip, okay, in the first, second and last finger. Okay, and then we're going to be applying other colors. As you can see, it's already given at this point, so I'm going to be applying this particular shade of nude. Okay guys, this first base we applied is not actually nude though, Abby. It's kind of a peach color. Okay, yeah, so this particular one we are using now is nude. Yeah, nude color. So I'm going to be drawing the same French tips, okay, with this nude color on this particular finger only. Okay, for both hands. Okay, and then the last hand we're going to be using a darker shade of coffee brown. Yeah, just watch the video and then understand the video, guys. Like I used to say, I'm not too good at voiceover, so just watch and understand. As soon as you're done, always cure for 60 seconds before you dive into the next finger. Okay, so that you will not spoil your design of what you have already done already. So we're going to be going into the coffee brown, draw our French tip, will cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll dive into the next step. Okay, so guys, if you're watching this video up to this essence, that means you're actually interested in this video, so please give me a thumbs up. Okay, to encourage me. That's the only way you can actually tell me thank you and subscribing to my channel is actually a very good way of encouraging me. Guys, subscription is actually free, does not cost to to subscribe. Instead, you are telling YouTube to please, push out my content to other viewers. Okay, so please subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Without you guys, there's no Van this beauty world on this YouTube space. Okay, so guys, we are done applying our coffee brown French tips, and we're going to be diving over to the next step. Okay, so what I'm using my liner brush, okay, to just draw kind of a curve, yeah, with my liner brush, and I use my dottle pin, yeah, to drop, kind of a dot, just the way I am doing it on the video. So you just draw the curve just the way I am doing it, and then use your dottle pin to just draw the dot. Guys, this design, okay, today's design is actually very simple and beautiful. Guys, you tell at the end of the video. Okay, yeah, so do drop your comments to tell me what you think about today's tutorial. So I did the other hand off camera, and this is what is giving, guys. So we're going to be applying our blue gel, and guys, yes, I finally got my blue gel. Yay! Yes, so we're going to be applying the blue gel, the only the at the French tip part, okay? The only part we want our design to bloom. That is the only way we are going to be applying, or the only place we are going to be applying the blooming gel. Okay, if I will bite my tongue. So I'm going to be using our dotted pin to drop the design, okay, on the place we applied just the blooming gel. Okay, allow it to bloom, and then you are going to cure. Do the other hand, apply, then you allow it to bloom, and then you will cure. Okay, that is very simple. So we're going to go over to the last design for today, and guys, look at my molding gel. I finally got a good molding gel. Guys, this molding gel is actually giving. Okay, so you can take a screenshot, okay, so in case you are using a molding gel that does not work for you, this molding gel actually works very well. So I'm going to be scooping out 4 balls. Okay, use my hand to, or use a very neat hand, or make sure your hand is neat, okay, so you will not steal your ball. Okay, I'm scooping out 4 balls to draw my flower. Okay, just round it just the way I'm doing to the video. Guys, always watch and understand, because like I used to say, I am not good at voiceovers. So you just drop the ball, place the ball on where you want to be dropping your flowers. Okay, and then use our, what is it called again, what is this thing called, molding, whatever, I don't know, I cannot recall the name of what I'm actually using, okay, to mold the flower. So you can actually either use this or use your brush, okay, your tiny mount brush for drawing, any one that works for you. Okay, but this works for me, so that is what I am using. I cannot recall the name of what they used to call this in the market. Okay, so draw your design of flower, or the shape of flower that you want to draw. Guys, I'm going to be dropping a very detailed video of how to draw your flowers, different designs of flowers, very soon. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned. And don't forget, we drop videos twice every week, every Mondays and every Fridays. Every week you must get new videos on this channel. And guys, it's not easy. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel. Okay, that's the only way you can actually tell me thank you and encourage me to continue. Okay, so now I'm using my tiny, drawing brush to line the flowers. Okay, just to beautify it and make it pop out, guys. Okay, and this is what is giving, guys. You can actually go this way, but I choose to just add a little bit of white gel polish just to define it a little bit, guys. But you can choose to just leave it this way. Okay, and then I'm going to be using my nylon brush to, you know define it more. Should I say, yeah, just use my nylon brush to just define the white, to give it more look. Yeah, just to design it actually any way you want to call it. Okay, and that is it for today's tutorial, guys. As soon as we are done, I use my rhinestone glue to drop our stone. Okay, just to beautify it so that everything can actually pop out a little. So I'm using my rhinestone glue to drop a little bit of glue and then drop our stone. Okay, you cure for 60 seconds so that the stone can stay and it will not fall out. Okay, you cure for 60 seconds, and this is what it's giving, guys. It actually came out so beautiful. We've not applied top coat. Look at how shiny this design is. It's actually came out so beautiful. So we are doing the other hand. Okay, you cure for 60 seconds so that the stone will not fall out, and then we are going to be applying our top coat off camera. And this is the finished look, guys. It actually came out so beautiful. So please tell me in the comment section what you think about today's video. Drop your honest review in the comment section. I will really appreciate it, guys. And yes, for those of us here in Nigeria, I am going to be launching my person's business very soon. Yes, so stay tuned. Okay, you can follow me on other social media platform. Okay, so that you can also patronize me there. Bye.